Okay, we open the software and we need 4 displays. 2 of them are tables, 2 of them are graphs. Each table and graph belongs to one card. So here we select table, here we select the graph for one card, and the table and graph for another card. Here time, this column time, this column velocity channel 1, for this one time, and for this one velocity channel 2, and here the vertical axis is velocity channel 1, the vertical axis of the second is velocity channel 2, horizontal axis is time. Now it's ready to begin. Now in the